สวัสดีครับ Welcome to C and C++ language. Now this is episode 13. Today we will writing the code to find the P. P is perimeters from these pictures. Yeah. This is a source I bring come from the website Matchqueen. Susan she's use a mathematics to solve this problem, but now we will write the C++ code. Now we will start write the code. The first step, I test the hello and compile the code here. This is a compile complete. Now next step, before we write the code, we should define the equation to run the code finding the answers. The code I set by define the location in each side of the picture here. This is I represent A, B, C, D, and E. For here, it will be the variable to find the length of each side. So the next step, we will write the objective function first. For the objective function, I look at the top and size, and here top and side. By I write the concept idea is a B plus C plus D, and here this is same size, same range. This is 5 meters. Here this is minus 5 equals 0. And then the second equation is look at the size here. I set that is 4 meters, and subtract, this is a subtraction, and E and plus 3 and minus A equals 0 here. And then I confirm it should have a constraint. The constraint is equation for check the to check the condition. Example here, from this picture, I look the B is less than C and less than D. So I write the if condition here for making a constraint. B is less than C and percent C greater than D. Here is the first constraint, and the second constraint. The constraint is look at the size here. This is like as A is greater than 4 meters. So here A greater than 4 meters and percent, and E is less than 3. For here, I think it is enough for set the condition and equation. Now the next step we write is in the function. So this function is a fun and double variable size A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, here for inside the function, I set it C1 is a 0, it should be 0, and C2 and here for if I set C3 is 1, C4 the constant and the optimal solution is 0. Now for return, for this is maybe it have a positive and negative signs. I set is FABS C1 plus FABS C2 and then C3 and plus C4. Okay. Now I test the functions. The functions have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variable. And then I compile the code. It have an error here. It have number 7. So in this, I use in the same technique that is run the next loop for to find the optimal points. So the first step, I set the base value is 1e6. This is a million. And then for a the figure here is I think the maximum meter is not over 10, and then a plus equal to is have a small number A B C D E F A B C D and E. So here this is A B Okay, yeah, I have a launch loop and this is a next loop for. So I set the variable to keep the result. And then I check base condition. This is greater than R. This is update the base result. And then I write the output in each variable. First write R A and then B, C, D, E here. And for this, I write the calculation, the equation to calculate perimeters. Perimeter is come from A plus B plus 4 plus C plus E plus D plus 3 and plus 5 here. And I think I can calculate area. This area is suppose I have A and B. I can calculate the area in this size. Here, area in this size is A times B plus 4 here. This is C, and then here this is 3 T minus E. We will have this length here. So I write is is 3 minus E, and then times C. This is a sign here, and then in this is 3 plus D, 3 times D for this. Okay, I think it's enough. And then I will test the code. I forgot to slide return and run the program. Because I don't have a new line. Compile and run again. So I should set the display, and why is display is okay here. For this is display is difficult looking, and maybe I set the new line, double new line, and then here before the result I write tab, and then compile and run again. Okay, here this is output, and from the output from this I have size A is 4.25, B is 4.25 and I think it's maybe here this is an error because okay, now run again. Okay, here this is A is 4.25 and B is 2, B is 1, C is 2.25 and D is 1.75, E is 2.75 here. Now its perimeter is 24 and total area is 10.0625. Now I check the result from the website here and I play the video. The results. This is a P is 24. Here I have a P is 24 and on my code can calculate the total area. Here this is the answer and here this is the example code. This is our code. Now before we end in this episode, I tell you in each line of the code, the first step I set the I call the library. This is a IO stream and CMesh, and I create a function fun. For function calculate form in each size by the size I set is here from this equation, and then I do the next loop for to calculate, and I calculate the area and perimeter here. Now I think complete. Okay ขอบคุณครับ see you again next episode สวัสดีครับ